Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's episode, I present my Asian vinaigrette. This recipe uses sesame oil and ginger to bring out a nutty and zesty flavor to complement any salad. I especially like it with my cucumber salad. Let me show you how to make it. Begin with some rice vinegar. Add some soy sauce, peanut oil, sesame oil, and to counter the acidity, we'll sweeten it a bit with a liquid sugar substitute equal to 3 tablespoons of regular sugar. Add a little lemon juice, some minced garlic, ground ginger, ground black pepper, and just a little red pepper flakes. Give a quick mix to combine, and now add just a bit of xanthan gum. This will help bind the oil and vinegar, as well as slightly thicken our dressing. Give a good mix for about 2 minutes. You'll know you're done when our dressing doesn't separate and is slightly thickened. Cover and place in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to an hour to allow all the flavors to come together. Like I said in the beginning, this dressing is delicious on any salad, but I especially like it on my simple cucumber salad. To make this simple and easy salad, all you need is 2 ingredients. The first is 2 large cucumbers. Peel and slice them long ways, and remove the seeds using a spoon. Doing this will help remove some of the moisture and keep the cucumbers nice and crunchy. Slice them in 1/4-inch pieces and place them in a bowl. Cut 1/2 of a red onion into thin slivers and place in the bowl with the cucumbers. Give a toss to mix. Serve in a bowl or plate. Top with my Asian vinaigrette. And enjoy a very easy-to-make dressing and salad combo. There you have it, folks. My Asian vinaigrette, plus an easy-to-make salad. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.